Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover your Gotyme bank account without your phone number in 2025. So, step 1, open the Gotyme app. Launch the app and tap on login. And then, when asked for your phone number, type the need help button or forgot access link. Step 2, select recovery using email. If your email is linked to your Gotyme account, choose the recovery option via email, and then a verification link or code will be sent to your inbox. Step 3, verify your identity. You'll be asked to take a selfie and rescan your valid ID to confirm your identity. Follow the prompts carefully and make sure that they are accurate. Step 4, set a new phone number. After successful verification, you will be then allowed to input and verify a new phone number. Step 5, log in and update security settings. Once recovery is complete, log back into your account and update your security settings to prevent future lockouts. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.